Good morning, students. After summer vacation, just let us start again freshly. Before summer vacation, we have studied before uh, before fertilization. Till fertilization, we have studied. Now fertilization and after the events of the fertilization, let us see. First of all, what is fertilization? As you know that fertilization means fusion of the male and female gametes. What is male gamete here? Whatever pollen grain brings inside the pollen grain, two male gametes will be there. The male gametes are brought to the female gamete and fusion. Fusion of the male and female gamete is called fertilization. And the seed plants means angiosperms. Seed plants angiosperms. The male gametes are brought to the egg. Where is the egg? That is there in the female gametophyte. So the male gametes are brought to the female gametophyte with the help of pollen grains. That is called siphonogamy. So after the siphonogamy, what happens? Let us see. First of all, fertilization means, as I have given diagram also to you, again I can show you. And fertilization means, suppose fusion of gametes. So if you see the fusion of gametes, this is the female gametophyte, and detailed diagram I have given, and ovary, and here embryo sac, and this is the stigma, and this is micropyland, and here polar nucleus, egg apparatus, antipodal cells like this. This is embryo sac. So this diagram already I had given, we will see afterwards. So when pollen grain falls on this, and the pollen grains with the nucleus and all, with the help of pollen tube, it brings two male gametes and leaves the male gametes inside the embryo sac. Okay. Now let us see fertilization. First of all, gametes are N condition. The chromosomes are only single N condition. So first here, whatever egg cell is there, egg cell plus whatever male gamete is brought by the male pollen grain tube, pollen tube. So male gamete, egg cell plus male gamete fusion takes place. So egg cell is X condition and male gamete is X condition. Okay, fusion takes place. So male and female fusion is called fertilization. Okay, after the fusion, what will happen? Male and female gamete, zygote is formed. That is 2N. So first what happened? Fusion of the egg cell, female gamete and male gamete, both are fusion took place. Wherever fusion of male and female is called fertilization. Then zygote is formed. So this is the first fusion and first fertilization. This is the first fertilization. Second event is what? Another male gamete is there. Here polar nucleus, that is N, and another polar nucleus is there, that is also N. Okay, this is also N. So this is female, this is also female. Polar nucleus, both are female one. This two fusion takes place. This few, but these two are only female one. It is not fertilization. It is only fusion. Then it will make 2N polar nucleus. This makes 2N polar nucleus. Okay, this is called polar nucleus, and polar nucleus 1, polar nucleus 1 and polar nucleus 2. polar nucleus 1, polar nucleus 2, both fusion takes place, and that makes, no, that is fusion. This is second fusion. Okay, so that makes 2n polar nucleus. Now the third step will be, this is not fertilization because this is not male and female. Now this 2n polar nucleus plus one more male gamete is there. Two male gametes are brought and left in the inside the embryo sac. Male gamete. This is N. Okay, then that will be fusion. And this again, this is female and this is male. This is second fertilization. So second fertilization, this makes second polar nucleus plus male gamete, that is second fusion. This is the, okay, this is third fusion plus second fertilization makes 3n nucleus. This is primary, this is called primary endosperm nucleus. This is called primary endosperm nucleus. Okay. Now listen. First fertilization is egg cell, male gamete, fusion, fertilization. This is first fusion and first fertilization, that is making zygote. Now the second is, inside the female two polar nucleus are there, that is N plus N. Both will fusion. Because of these two are female only, that is not called fertilization, that is called fusion. And 2n polar nucleus will be formed, that is one fusion. So 2n polar nucleus means both the polar nucleus fused one plus one more male gamete which is there. This will take fusion. This is called triple fusion. 2n polar nucleus fusion plus male gamete fusion, that is called triple fusion. So this triple fusion and male and female, because of the fusion, this is called second fertilization. So 2n polar nucleus plus male gamete is forming 3n nucleus. The 3n nucleus is called primary endosperm nucleus, PEN, that is called. Okay, so in angiosperms, this is a characteristic feature. In angiosperms, this is a, what is characteristic feature? Double fertilization. Fertilization 1, fertilization 2, double fertilization and triple fusion is the main character of the angiosperms. Okay, after the fertilization of the angiosperms, what happened? Zygote is formed. Okay, this zygote will convert into embryo, and another is primary endosperm nucleus is formed, that is 3n. Primary endosperm nucleus is 3n, zygote is 2n. And this will continue and growth and everything, and this PEN means primary endosperm nucleus will give food to the, it contains, each cell contains huge amount of nutrients, it gives food to the growing embryo. Okay, now let us see, this is fertilization.